Hello everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a tutorial on how to start an LLC in Vermont. But before we dive in, I want to give you a quick heads up that our channel has partnered with Bizee. If you decide to use their services, clicking our affiliate link below this video is a fantastic way to support our channel at no extra cost to you. And now let's go ahead and set up your Vermont LLC. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to use Bizee to form your LLC, and you will also know everything on how to navigate Vermont's requirements and make smart decisions for your business. So first things first, head to Bizee's website using the link below this video for convenience. Once there, you will see an option to start your business, so click on it to begin the process. For the entity type, select LLC, and then in the state section, we want to choose Vermont. Next up, you'll be presented with Bizee's pricing tiers. They offer three main packages: the basic, standard, and the premium plan. The basic plan is their free option, priced at $0 plus the state fee, which for the state of Vermont is typically $125. This package is a great option if you're on a tight budget, and it will get you your LLC formation service done, 1 year of free registered agent service, your operating agreement template, and a free accounting or consultation. You also get a bunch of different features by using Bizee. This is why I highly recommend using this service, such as the lifetime compliance alerts, unlimited phone and email support, online access to your dashboard, business banking account offer. And if you really want to get your LLC formed as quick as possible, then you can pay for the expedited filing separately. So for the state of Vermont, if you pay for the expedited filing, you can get it done in 2 days filing time instead of the normal 3 weeks. If you choose to upgrade to the standard plan at $199 plus the state fees, you get everything that is available in the basic plan plus additional services such as the operating agreement filed for you that would normally cost you additional $99. You also get the IRS Form 2553 filed for you as well. And finally, we've got the premium plan with Bizee at $299 plus the state fee. And in that package, you get everything in the previous plans, plus the expedited filing, domain name, and business website. Additionally, you get the business email address and all of the different features that this platform has to offer. Personally, I highly recommend going through these features and choosing the package that best fits your needs and of course your budget. I'm going to continue with the basic package and then click on get started. The next step would be to fill in our company information. For that, you have to enter the LLC name and then the designator, so LLC, and then you have to make sure that your name is available in the state. Of course, Bizee does this service to check the name availability for free, so simply enter the LLC name and then click next. After that, we are presented with the offer again to make our state filing time go faster. So the typical state filing time in Vermont is 3 weeks, but if you want it done in about 2 business days, then you can pay additional fee and then get it done much sooner. So if you are really not in a rush to get your LLC formed, then continue with the free option and click next. Up next, we have the contact person, which is basically the person responsible for this order that they can contact in case they need additional documents or information. You can of course enter your own details and act as the contact person for your own LLC. After that, we get to the company address information. For that one, you can either use your own email address or opt in for the service with Bizee, where they offer you a professional business address and a virtual mail service. And the great thing is that this service is only for $29 per month, and you get to maintain privacy by using a commercial address. You also get unlimited scanned incoming mail and a physical address for your business. So if you really value your privacy and want to keep your own address private, then definitely go with this service. However, if you are on a tight budget or you don't mind having your address provided to the state and listed publicly, then you can choose to continue with this option and enter your details. The next crucial step is to provide member information for your LLC. So we have to start by entering how many members there are in the LLC. If it's only you, then enter 1, and then after that, you will be asked to provide some information about each one of the members that you chose previously. So basically, you provide their first and last name and then provide a company address. What's worth noting is that if you went with the virtual address service with Bizee, then you may choose this option right here and then it will enter that address again. Up next, we have the registered agent information. As many of you know, most of the states do require an LLC to appoint a registered agent, and the great thing is that with Bizee, you can get a full year of registered agent service completely for free, and then after that, if you choose to continue with the service, then you get to keep it for $119 yearly. The price is very competitive, it's among the lowest I've seen from the LLC formation services, but if you want to, you can act as your own registered agent from now or after that first free year. After that, we gotta provide your EIN, and if you don't have one already, then you can choose to have Bizee obtain it for you for about $70. However, I highly recommend continuing with the free option, as you can get it done for you for free and get it directly done from the IRS website. It is a bit of work, but if you don't mind doing it, then definitely continue the free option. After that, you will be presented with some upsells that you can read through, accept them if you want to, or just simply decline. You will get to the review page where we can look at all the information that you have entered and the services that you have selected. And if everything looks great, then proceed to the payment. Remember that the total cost will include Bizee's service fee that you have chosen previously and the state filing fee for the state that you have chosen. So in our case, the state of Vermont. And once you have completed your order, Bizee will prepare and file your articles of organization with the Vermont state. They will keep you updated on the progress and notify you once your LLC is officially formed. And with that, we'll have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely let us know whether you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.